up now. We've got bolts all the way around here. We've got our engine mounts here. These are a rubber mount, and we'll need to pull these off of there before we can get to those other crankcase bolts. I try to get to the base of these because if you twist at the top of them, it'll actually break the two metal pieces on either side off of that damper, and you'll have to replace that. So if you can keep that all together, grab below there so you're actually grabbing on the metal as opposed to just grabbing the rubber, you'll be way better off. So this one we wouldn't have to replace or remove to get the bolt to split the crankcase, but I'm just doing that just because I like to keep things uniform, keep these together, make sure that those pieces stay together there. Then we can grab our impact there and keep removing those. I do believe that is it for the bolts down here on the bottom side. I'm going to remove these because I want to set them in the order that we remove them. So what I like to do then, take and set them starting, you can start wherever you want, wherever you can remember. So if you start right here, let's start at this air duct. We'll remove those. Then we'll remove this one, this one, this one, and set those in that order. That way we can keep track of which ones go where. I don't like having bolts that are too long in the wrong spots and then some of them that are too short. So that's why I'm doing that. Let's set left hand down first, then right hand. Now, if you can see this on the corner of the video there, those are all spread out. Those are the bolts in order. That way when we're ready to go back together, we've already got them here, starting here, boom, boom, all the way around, just like that. So you can start, again, you can start wherever you want. This is just the way that we did it here. Now, we know that this crankshaft is in rough shape. So one thing you can do at this point, you can actually take and lift up on this case here and tap on the crank. I want to show you the proper way because if this crankshaft is good, you don't want to do that. You don't want to tap on it. So you can take a lot of the pressure off of that crankcase there and then tap on that with a rubber mallet. Sometimes that'll break it free, sometimes it won't. Do the same on the other side. Okay, now we have got the top, or I guess this is the bottom, crankcase off of there. You can see where we drained our oil. It's going to be right here. So we've got that oil plug in there. We put that back in there, but you can see there where that dirt and debris is going to get caught up. What they want is if you were to take and drain that oil, they want all your debris getting stuck down in this housing here so it's not sloshing around in your motor there. You can see the amount of particles and dirt and debris. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You guys are going to want to see this. I thought that I've actually seen way worse motors than this. I'm not even totally... Okay, I'm going to pull this crankshaft out. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, it actually fell out the bottom. Look at the rod on that thing. That is fabulous. That is just awesome. Okay, so there's the rod. That explains a lot of the metal chunks. It also explains the piston wall skirt there that's broken off because that rod wasn't even on our crankshaft. It was bound up beside the crankshaft there. So that is why our crank looks like that. That's why our piston our cylinder looks like that. It's safe to say I can probably just beat on this with a metal hammer. There we go. We got that crankshaft completely out. Wow. Would you look at that? I may have just found our thumbnail for this picture here. So this is the crankcase split and rebuild on the Polaris Ranger 800. This is a 2012 model. If this video has been helpful to you at all, if you've enjoyed watching a crankshaft get pulled out of there that looks like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like, and share these videos. Let's make your UTV great again. Let's not get started into politics. But if you do, in the comments below, it is what it is. So thank you guys for watching. Again, please subscribe to our channel. If you need parts, make sure and let me know. Check our eBay store out. Also check our Amazon store out. Also check out the links that we have below on more popular engine rebuild videos, engine diagnostic videos, CV shaft rebuilds, fuel injection problems, charging system problems. Check all those videos out. Share every single one of them. At some point here in the near future, I'd like to do a giveaway. Maybe we'll do a motorcycle giveaway, possibly an engine rebuild giveaway, or maybe just an engine rebuild service. So let me know what your thoughts are below. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate all you guys' support.